guys, so the unit that I'm showcasing for you all today is brought to you by Asteria Hair. I will have all their information linked down below, as well as direct links in case you're interested in purchasing. So I did start off by washing this unit and bleaching the knots. Now I'm going ahead and applying some foundation that's a little bit darker than my skin tone. I noticed that this helps the lace blend more seamlessly into my hairline, and it makes it just look a lot more natural. It intensifies the bleach knots and everything just blends in seamlessly. So I'm showing you the inside of the cap construction, and I'm going in to apply this unit. So let's talk details about this gorgeous unit. So this is Asteria Hair's Water Wave 6x6 Closure Wig. I have it in the length 22 inches. It's 180% density. And oh my gosh, do you see, sis? Do you see how beautiful the texture is on this wig? I feel like this has one of the most beautiful water wave textures I have gotten my hands on, and I did not hardly get any shedding. It's so effortless to style. The upkeep is low maintenance, and I'm really enjoying how natural the lace looks on this wig and how easy it is to apply this unit, being that you only have to work with the 6x6 closure, and the parting space is amazing. I definitely hands down recommend you trying this unit if you are a beginner, or if you're someone who does not like to full with frontals and you want a pre-made closure wig. This unit is the one for you. As you guys can see, this wig is absolutely bomb. Do you see that lace, sis? And I contribute that to Asteria Hair's beautiful natural lace, but also Bleaching your knots and applying foundation under your lace works wonders. Tip for you, sis. Okay, if you want to slay a lace wig, try that out and you're going to fall in love. Trust me. So I'm going in with the simplest wig routine for this unit because it does not require a lot. And that is another reason why I'm in love with this wig. And you guys know I just love curly texture, but when I find something bomb like this, I gotta hype it up. If you guys are interested in checking out a unit that is so versatile and just gorgeous, attention grabbing, then I definitely recommend this wig to you. I will leave all of Asteria Hair's information in my description box. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this wig. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel, and until next time, you guys, love you. Catch you in my next video. Bye.